Hi guys, it's me, Joshy Woody, back today with some more awesome videos. And today I am going to be playing Roblox. Sorry, yeah, I'm not very good. And this is my first time recording with a face cam. And you see me full screen right now. There you go, guys. Please leave down in the comments below if you like it better this side with my face cam or this side, because I really don't know. It's how you think. I'm gonna keep it on the left side for now, but yeah, it might be the right side for you. I don't know if it's the opposite. Never done this sort of kind of face cam malarkey. And I've practiced this so you can hear my voice. This is going to be a short one, maybe just a couple of rounds, talking to Olivia and stuff, because she is here with us today. She is sitting next to me. Oh God, keep the light on. Yeah, we've got to have good lighting. Oh yeah, good lighting. So, I've got something important to tell you guys. If you know Murder Mystery 2, there's this winter event sort of thing, and you can open these winter crates, and in it, you can get like all different Christmassy stuff, and there is a secret godly that's quite hard to unbox. And let me just show you something in a minute. Sure. Oh, I'm dead. Gosh. I have it. Winter's Edge.
Yes, can I tell her that you have a YouTube channel? I won't tell her what it is, but
okay.
I'll tell her that
we have another fan coming in. Oh, and we have hit 17 subscribers. Wait. Okay, I don't know. Let's do this again. I'll go on it in a minute. I'll show you. Olivia is in Team Woody, so yes. And I have found some really sick merch that someone's just put JW on, but it relates. Joshy Woody JW. So yeah, some sick merch. When I get BC, I'll be copying it or something. If he lets me. If he is watching, which is probably no chance at all, I will ask to friend request him, and if he does, I'll ask about if he can make me more merch, because I don't have BC, so therefore I can't make merch for you guys, but I've found some sick merch that can just be our merch. We can override it, even though it's a bit rude, but it's not rude, it's just copying, but I don't think he'll mind.
That's murderer, okay?
Who's murderer?
A person.
So I just wanted to tell you about what's happened lately, and tell you that I've got face cam as well. So that's all that was my aim for the video. So I am gonna stop it soon, maybe do one round, don't know. Deer Hunter, please tread. Please tread. Please tread. Tread snowflake. Because I have snowflake as well. I traded my Nightblade for snowflake, and then I unboxed Winter's Edge. And I let Olivia use my snowflake sometimes. That is what Winter's Edge looks like. And snowflake looks like that. But on your hip like that. Oh, and yes, I do have boombox, because when I put out that celebration sort of one. Well, the New Year's Eve celebration thing. I actually recorded it on New Year's Day. No, Eve, sorry. And we stayed up really late, me and Olivia.
Yeah, we stayed up till I stayed up till like, well, you stayed up till 2 o'clock or so.
Yeah.
I just died.
Oh, good.
Yeah, get my gun.
I didn't know you were sure.
Oh, I didn't know either.
Oh, good. Well, let's just move this back a bit.
And I stayed up till 2.
Yeah.
That's the latest I've ever stayed up because
she stayed up late.
And then we get tired very easily.
Yes, I got her. That's me. So I am gonna be ending this video here, guys. Please say if you enjoyed, and see you later. Bye.